Hey guys, it's Saturday and we're working on the car again. I got the bearings I ordered and I also got this big package here. We're gonna see what that is. So let's go. So now we got the bearings here from Miley. So let's see if they are any closer to the right fitment. Got the splitter, and nice, also the axle nut. So, bingo. Now we have the right one, so time to press it in. So I kept the old bearing because it's a good way to press the new one in, because then you have perfect fit all around and you won't damage it. So let's do it. So now the bearing is in all the way, so I can put the splitter here. now it's time to put the hub on. And here we got the hub from an E90 LCI, the facelift version. It has to be the facelift version, because otherwise it won't fit with everything else. So this has to be pressed in here, but we have to put something here on here so it doesn't ruin the bearing. So we have to have something to hold on the back. So let's find something. Perfect. This fits quite well. So I can press onto that. And here you can see the app is installed. Pretty nice. So now it's just time to do the other one, and then I'll be back. So of course, after I finished putting these on, I realized I forgot to put this before the bearing, because there's no way to take the hub out without destroying the bearing. So it had already been done to this, so it's gonna be cut, put on and welded again. So I'll have to do that. But for now, let's see. So I got one on here. It was a pain to get it there, but it's there. So now I'm gonna thread the parking brake cable through and start connecting this stuff. So now I finished putting together one of them, brake shoes and everything, but I realized I got the wrong caliper brackets. Not these ones from SRS, but these ones are probably from a smaller engine E46, so they're not long enough to fit all the way without touching the disc and everything. So it's quite a difference. So now I'm gonna do this one.